In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get audit trails in DocuSign. Managing your documents and understanding their journey is essential, especially when it comes to important contracts and agreements. That's where audit trails come into play. They provide a detailed account of the document's history, showing each step it has gone through. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. If you're not already familiar with DocuSign, it's a widely used platform for electronic signatures that allows you to send, sign, and manage documents from virtually anywhere. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your command center, if you will, where you can see all the documents you've been working with. Now, to find the audit trails, you need to locate the specific envelope or contract you're interested in. This might be in your Contracts or Envelopes section, depending on how you're organizing your documents. It's crucial to have your system set up so you can easily access these documents whenever you need to trace their history. After you've found the envelope in question, the next step is to dive a bit deeper into its history. To do this, click on More and then select History. This is where the magic happens. The History section is your detailed event log, showing you every action associated with the document, from when it was viewed, sent, and signed, to whether there were any declines. Each entry provides a timestamp and detailed information about the action taken. Navigating through this history gives you a comprehensive view of the document's life cycle. It's like having a time-lapse video of all the interactions. This information is not only useful for keeping track of document status, but also incredibly valuable for ensuring compliance and accountability, particularly in professional and legal contexts. A tip here is to familiarize yourself with common event terminology used in the logs. For instance, completed indicates that all parties have signed, declined means a signer has chosen not to sign, and voided infers an action to cancel the process. Understanding these terms can help you quickly identify the document's status at a glance. So, there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently access audit trails in DocuSign, granting you full visibility into the journey of your documents. This ability not only reinforces security and accountability, but also empowers you to manage your digital paperwork like a pro. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks on using DocuSign effectively. Until next time, happy signing.